So we outside, we about to check out what's going on. We got some R8s over here. Twin turbo R8s. That thing sounds crazy. And we got another R8 over there. We're in the pit crew. Everybody getting ready. We got this MR2 here on the trailer. It's a nice color right here. That's a nice color. It's clean too. Got a Cadillac over here. All right. All the way from West Virginia.
727 cubic inches.
Wow, that's a
Runs on pump gas. Yeah. Makes just over 1,500.
Sweet. Nice, nice.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to day number 3. Day number last.
It's a beautiful car too, man. It's clean. So we got a little Corvette over there chilling. Oh, he's in the trailer. Camaro. Airing up the tires over there. Oh, look at this S14 right here. Nissan S14. Oh, this is a nice color right here. Woo, that thing look good, boy. Damn, look at that turbo right there. Look at the turbo right there.
Oh, no, I didn't realize
Oh, this is a clean ass Trans Am. Pontiac Trans Am. Oh, this is super clean right here. I like this color too. Woo. Twin turbo, look at them things. Yeah, we're pulling up on the R32 Skyline. Oh shit, with a V8. A Nissan with a V8. Especially in the Skyline. Wow. Damn, look at that turbo right there, boy. That thing's crazy. Oh, it went 850s.
Number 3, I'll take your lanes 5 and 6, please. All motors, lanes 5 and 6, please. Extreme 28. Extreme 28, so I've called to lanes 3 and 4, please. Extreme 28. Extreme 28. Take your lanes 3 and 4, extreme 28. Some of the accidents we go 5 on 3 and 12.
This Camaro right here is pretty sick too. Damn, look at the turbos underneath the thing. Ooh, that boy getting all the air. That's just dope.
We need to call for safety sake, carry over some classes. So as I mentioned earlier, we are going to carry over one qualifying. That is extreme.
Got all the big boys up front.
Come back today.
Oh, wait.
The first thing we run. And then we will also complete the final 3 rounds of the very popular no time.
Big boy GTR right here, boy. This shit's a beast.
With an overdrive transmission, that is the requirements. Can't run a Pro Mod style body, must be stock style wheelbase, small tire, as well as the overdrive transmission. It does not necessarily say how many gears it has to have, it just needs to be an overdrive. So those classes made it through 2 rounds.
That's the pickup truck with the inline 6 with a 2 JZ in it. That thing is super fast too.
We will run all the rest of our classes, including as you see on the screen. Very bottom of the station class. And back on that, you're in just a little bit.
5050s.
Ladies and gentlemen, on 3 o'clock as well, all racetrack here.
We got Boost Logic 2 GTRs over here. Them things sound rowdy. Corvette on the jack stand. It's all out.
Attention in the pits, attention in the pits.
On the boards right
if
there.
you have money coming your way from you, you ran the category that you run completion for, and made enough to elimination.
Camaro. God, look at this monster shit right here. Dude, this shit right here is crazy. Yo, look at the turbo on this thing. The camera don't even do justice. This thing is huge.
I'm fixing to warm it up. You can hang out.
All right, I appreciate that. We're about to hear this thing start up pretty soon.
All right, I'm warm. Go.
11,000 if you have it. Notice this turbo kit's crazy right here. Ford F-150s. They're looking at an intercooler right up in the front. The thing is clean too. Look, another one. Single cab, boy. Oh, they out of North Carolina too.
Now, X275 will be mostly with a single turnover twins.
If you have a camera dog.
Alright, attention in the pits, attention in the pits. Stick shift. Stick shift. Qualifier number 3. I will take you to lanes 5, 6, 7, and 8, please. Stick shift. Stick shift. Qualifier number 3. I will take you to lanes 5, 6, 7, and 8, please. Stick shift. Stick shift. Third and final qualifier will take you to lanes 5, 6, 7, and 8, please.
Oh yeah.
ACP versus all-wheel drive in third and final call, lanes 3 and 4. ACP.
R8 GTR. You know you gotta have the Civics out here to all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive kick. Boys is getting ready. Oh shit. Giselle is up in here too. There he goes. And 340. Paint scheme is crazy right here. I think it was mean, boy. This right here is the fastest 6-speed Supra.
Black
It's my favorite class right here, street class right here. GTR versus 5.0. Who's for the win? All-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. M340. Against the R8 over there and the far left. Line lock. I think he's trying to activate them. Line lock. There we go, he got it. He got it. Alright, let's go. M240 versus GTR. Tires have North Carolina for 2021 GTR runs on it. And they're qualified to take 25, 139 to the 19 time. Yeah. One of the fastest 6-speed Supra out there.
NC. That shit's crazy right there, boy. That's a clean 240. Yo, it's crazy out here, y'all. I'm just enjoying the vibe, you know what I'm saying? A whole lot of cars out here. Shit is crazy. I'm digging this. F-150, GMC, GMC drag truck. That's the first I'm seeing that one. Everybody getting ready. Yeah, this shit is a good look. So if you like this content, you know what I'm saying, just subscribe and thumbs up. 3 caddies all lined up. Track off. shit, look at this thing right here. Got the off-road tires with the racing tires.
While we're out, hold once again, if you are running.
Oh, Dodge Viper. Dodge Viper. This shit's crazy.
Second floor of the tower and let us know if you are running leadership. Or Streetcar right.
Oof. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. God, look at the combination on this thing right here. Looks like the engine is bigger than the damn car.
Did we leave you in the dust? Good. Okay.
All the way from Massachusetts.
I have package in the tower, second floor for Mike.
EC Super, Massachusetts. RS3. Cooling down the intake manifold. It's a nice color. All the cars is around. Good day.
North Carolina, 2019 model Charger. It currently is walked by in the number 8 spot, 8711. Car is now coming up the return road. On the racetrack. Obviously, if you can tell by the
All right, it's great that you're in Streetcar rally rides. Flowers are on, flags are flying. Word on the streets.
Brianna, come on forward to receive your coin, please. I'll also take Donna Cyrus. Donna Cyrus, you can come forward to receive your coin. You're number 18 in the Shelby. I know they're both here somewhere. So they were. Big out Cabana. Big out Cabana.
M340 getting cooled down.
That is your number 17 qualifier. Oh, here comes the couple. So Brianna and Donna. Big out Cabana. Okay. Jazz Aranciba. Jazz and Ziva, hopefully I got your name somewhat close. Congratulations. Okay, I did not have that on my bingo card for this year. Lewis Gentry, come forward to receive your coin. You are number 15, Lewis. Right behind us, right there. Ricardo Espinosa.